Good morning, mis pantuflitas voladoras. Buenos días. ¿Cómo les amaneció el chicloso? El llamamoscas, el no me niegues, el sin esquinas, el beso de abuela, el nudo de... No, pues para qué les digo aquí, no vamos a acabar este pinche video con puros dichos. So guys, good morning to everybody. Aquí vamos. We're going to the shop already, as you almost already know. We are driving the Cat Eye. I told you I was gonna daily it, and I exchanged between the Cat Eye and the OBS because la neta también se siente chida andarse paseando en la OBS. And thank you guys for commenting on my videos. You guys told me you'd like the OBS. Thank you so much. It is a working project. Necesito echarle poquito más ganas, pero la neta, siempre que tengo un chingo de jale no tengo tiempo, y cuando no tengo jale pues no tengo dinero, ¿verdad? Y pues, you know, some family emergencies came up that were not planned. So yeah, we weren't able to just really like invest money in it. Plus I bought that Cadillac, which at the end of the day, you know, taking up space in the shop. So I don't know, you want it, take it. At the end of the day, I don't care. It's just material stuff. So aquí vamos para el taller. We gotta order a battery right now for that car, and then probably take it to him on the weekend. Well, today it is Friday, so you can see this video tomorrow. ¿Qué más tenemos que hacer? We gotta do a lot of tint today. It is gonna be a little busy day, hopefully. Va a venir el Juan, el Juancho, el Juanito, el cumbiambero a la verga. Check this out. I don't know what happened there, pero I get that shit was on fire. Oh shit. Oh, the other one's over here. Oh, that's a nasty crash. People are driving like idiots. I don't know what the fuck they're doing here. Como este vato andaba atravesándose por todo el pinche parqueadero, man. Come on, dude. Por eso andamos chocando. Pero pues aquí venimos. We're back on track. I mean, hopefully everybody came out okay. I mean, no le deseamos el mal a nadie, que todos hayan salido chido, ¿verdad? I mean, at the end of the day, we all have insurance and it's just material stuff. Bueno, yo no tengo aseguranza, pero manejo tranquilo, manejo quedito. Especially on the V6 1.5 horsepower ponies. So guys, like I said, let's go back to what we were talking about. Sorry, got a little distracted with the whole accident. So we're going to the shop right now. We got Juan coming over, el Juanchillo. So a ver si we'll get some, you know, some comedy out of him. I'm gonna start planning everything. I'm gonna start doing the wall for, well, not a wall, like a beauty panel for where I'm gonna mount the amps. There's gonna be 2 amps, one for the voice, one for the bass, the epicenter. Pretty much it. Probably gonna put like a battery, not an extra battery, because it's not gonna need it. It's not gonna be nothing that big. It's like to tell me the voltage to look cool. So we're gonna try to do that today. We got enough wood for it, and you know, probably, I don't know, do some bed liner or paint it or whatever we need to do, make it look pretty. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully all the tint that's coming in today, we get it done, and they do come in. So déjenme llego al taller, la vamos a seguir con el video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope that lock is keeping the door closed, or from people not stealing anything from it, because I could just pull the lever. I just had to pick up the camera again because I thought that shit was funny. So yeah, we'll be right. All right guys, we're at the shop. Como pueden ver, mírense nomás. The OBS and the Rumblebee are here, just parked, relaxing. So we're gonna take them out right now. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I did join a truck club. It's called Big Boy Toy. Let me leave you the flyer right here. Como ven, hopefully it is gonna go good. I've been with them before. We got out for no problems, no nothing. I mean, we didn't have time to honestly really be involved, but now that we do, so we got back in it.
hopefully we get a good contact for you guys. You know, ya de los truck meets, de los trucks de aquí del Paso. We have actually a meet on the 29th, I believe, of October. That is one that I am attending to. So, hopefully it goes well. Y van a mirar bastantes trocas. Y les va a gustar el contenido que se va a empezar a subir. Because I know you guys want to see trucks and not just my trucks. You want to see more trucks from El Paso. So that's what we're going to give you. That's why we joined them. And of course, pues para andar toriqueando, para andar, ya saben, acá paleteando. So mi gente, let me get the day started. Let me open the shop. Let me start, you know, cleaning and whatever, getting ready for the day. Because we do have work right now, like I had said. So let's get it done. And let's make some money. Neta, I didn't record a lot on the shop right now. Because guess what? We have a little meet today, so we're actually going, and that's where we're gonna head right now. Right now they're washing the trucks. I already washed this one. Well, I kind of cleaned it. I'm not a truck wash guy. I called a few people, but they were all busy. So at the end of the day, fui la lavé las pinches pesetas. Vámonos. Let's get it. So right now we're actually gonna have a little meet. We are gonna go to a little meet también para truck or treat or something like that. So this video is gonna be about it. So, vamos a darle. Let's get to where they're washing their trucks, even though I already washed mine. Then go pick up my wife. Y nos vamos. Alright guys, got home, took a shower. Andamos ahora con camisa negra. Al rato me dan la camisa porque ya pedimos las de Big Boy. So we're here gonna meet him at Target, and then we're gonna go truck or treat at Bowie High School. Anybody that knows, es la que está ahí por el Border Highway. No, es que mi vieja se metió al Target a comprar papitas mientras llegan los demás. Y ahorita nos lanzamos. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Like I said, I'm doing this for you guys. So vale más que you better like this video, like and subscribe, ya se la saben. So we're gonna continue, and hopefully everything goes good and you guys enjoy it.
A la verga, YouTube.
Sí, YouTube y tú you.
Límpialo donde la van a cagar.
A ver si es cierto. Ahorita que lo torcí.
¡Qué rollo!
Si me iba a traer otra cámara, pero la neta, la más pinche calota me dio hueva. Junior, así.
¿Cómo?
Ahí.
Ahí quedó para la verga.
Allí, güey, allí. Primero. ¿No? ¿Sí, no? ¿La checa? ¿La checa? No mames, güey. No la sueltes, pendejo. Anda, súbete tú, güey. Te vas cabrón. Espérate, Junior. Espérate, no la cagues. ¿Cómo ven? A ver, Aldaco, quítate, bájate a la verga tú, Junior. How many Mexicans for a sticker? Ya sé, how many Mexicans do we need for a sticker? Y que la pongan derecha. Ahí. Güey. ¿Está bien, güey? A ver, quita la mano, es bonito. Está más para allá que para acá. ¿Manda?
To get started on your stone project, visit your local Floor & Decor today or shop online at flooranddecor.com.
Guys, today's actually another day. We came to another meet. We're here. These trucks look nice. I mean, it is something different. That's why I didn't end the video yesterday, but we're continuing with this one. Check these ones out. Porque hay varias que están medio mamalanas. Que rollo, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what? It was a kind of a weird video because it's a 2-day part. I didn't really record that much because remember, I still don't know them very well. I will get to know them porque son a toda madre. La neta me la pasé chida. They make you feel like family. They're very good people. Very nice guys. So I know we'll get more comfortable with the camera with them y a estarlo grabando todo porque sí, neta, tiran buen cotorreo, and that's what we enjoyed. We had fun. So within yesterday and today, everything was awesome. As you can see, the truck, it's already home. We're actually, you know, gonna go out and about, get some lunch and all that. The GMC is over there. We still need to get that one painted from the hood, so that is next. And get it ready también porque ande tirando rollo en las calles. And the Rumblebee, we are gonna go higher. I'm gonna remove the toolbox. It's gonna be a whole different truck now because las trocas que traen, la neta, tan pasadas de lanza. So mi gente, gracias por todo el apoyo. Ya se la saben, like and subscribe. And we'll get more videos with more trucks. So ya andamos, échenle chingazos y se lavan el chicloso.